In this video, you will learn how to add upcoming events to your WordPress website. First, use an event plugin. This method is the easiest. First, install an event plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for an event plugin like the Events Calendar or Event Organizer. Click Install now, then activate the plugin. Configure. After activation, the plugin will likely add a new menu to your dashboard, such as Events. Click on the event and go to the plugin settings to customize how your event will be displayed, such as the date format, event category, etc. Then, create a new event. Click on Add New Event under the Events menu. Add an event title, description, time, location and date. You can also upload an event image and add additional information like tickets, event category or custom fields. Publish the event. Once you've entered all the event details, click Publish to make the event live on your website. You can view your upcoming events on the front end of your website, usually going to a page like Events or Upcoming Events. Display the events on your site. Most event plugins automatically add your events to a dedicated page. You can even add an event list to any page or post using a shortcut. Some plugins come with a widget where you can add to your sidebar or footer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.